Hello everyone, we hope you're all doing well. Now every year, during this time around, once prelims results are out, some people will be happy. Obviously, these are the people who have cleared the exam. Most of you will be unhappy. You will be trying to figure out where you went wrong. It might be in your paper 2, it might be certain subjects of paper 1, whether you have cleared or you have not cleared. Our suggestion to you is, don't spend too much of your time on things which have happened in the past. Focus on your present, and if you do your present properly, your future will get sorted out automatically. Keeping the present needs of UPSC aspirants where they will be focusing more on means, Insights has started its intensive bridge course. This video is going to be related to talking about ethics intensive bridge course. This is a program for those who have cleared, and it is also a program which will be useful for those who have not cleared. You must be knowing in mains examination, a major chunk of marks could be scored from your ethics paper. If you put sincere effort during this time, I'm very sure if you have done the same amount of sincerity everywhere else, being in the top 10 won't be that much difficult. Let me give you a snapshot of our program. This program will be handled by myself, Umesh, a faculty at Insights, and also Shashank sir, faculty at Insights as well. Now this program will be running for 12 days. And on a daily basis, minimum of 4 hours, we will be spending on understanding the various aspects of ethics syllabus. We will be focusing on giving you the conceptual clarity, and we will be teaching you how to present this conceptual clarity in as simple way as possible through your answers. On a daily basis, whatever concepts we are doing in the class, we will make you write answers in the class itself and in a timely manner. The moment you have written your answers, there is going to be discussion for this then and there itself. All these things that we are doing is to make sure that when you leave that class on that day, you feel confident about your ethics preparation. Now in this 12 days, we will be discussing the core concepts. We will be teaching you how to tackle quotation-based questions, and more importantly, we will also be teaching you how to answer case studies in the most effective and efficient way possible in as less a time as possible in your examination hall. We will be discussing case studies for at least 4 days, and 40 case studies relating to multiple themes based on previous year question patterns, based on the current affairs will also be discussed. Throughout the entirety of the program, and also over and above the program, mentorship will be provided from the start till you get into that merit list as well. There will be a continued emphasis on focusing on discussing previous year question paper. Apart from that, there will be discussions of PYQs taken by rank holders. Tanmay sir, who scored one of the highest marks in ethics in UPSC 2022 exams, will be handling one of these discussions as well. Apart from that, we will also be providing you with good quality notes. Now, what is this good quality notes? It's very subjective. As per our opinion, a good quality notes is something which will give you the most fundamentals in as simple way as possible, in as precise way as possible, so that you can revise it at a later point in time in a very less period. This good quality notes will also be having good amount of examples, not the stock examples that people use, but over and above that, we will be sourcing examples from the last 1.5 years as well. It will be having good amount of philosophical explanations on ethics for various concepts, and all these things in as precise way as possible. Such good quality notes we will be trying to give to you in our program. Apart from this, we will also be including 3 ethics full-length tests in this. You don't have to pay any extra amount. This is included in the package as well. If you want to avail of this program in its entirety for the 12 days of duration, you can subscribe to it by paying an amount of Rs 7,500. In case, if you just want to avail the case study package, you can pay Rs 2,500. For both these, there will be a 10% discount until June 18. The classes for this course will be done in an offline mode at Bangalore, and it will be available online as well. This program will be commencing from June 22nd. If you have any doubts, any queries related to this program, feel free to write to us on our support mail and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. All the best.